Making coffee using pre-ground coffee. Important: never add pre-ground coffee when the machine is off, or it could spread through the inside of the machine and dirty it. This could damage the appliance. Never use more than one level measure, or it could dirty the inside of the coffee maker or block the funnel. If you use pre-ground coffee, you can only make 1 cup of coffee at a time. Press the aroma selection button repeatedly until the pre-ground light appears. Put 1 level measure of pre-ground coffee into the funnel. Place a cup under the coffee spouts. Press the 1 cup coffee button. Preparation begins.